Finch here, principal of Rydell High. Welcome to our wonderful school. May I remind all students not to use flash photography on campus, and please remember that cell phones do not exist in 1959. If you ignore our school rules, you will be placed into detention. Thank you. And now over to the delightful Mr. Vince Fontaine at Radio Wax.
Hey, this is the main brain, Vince Fontaine. Gonna start your day the golden way. A little rock and roll to soothe the soul. Hey, it's the first day of school, so play it cool. You got the looks, so grab your books. Gonna kick this show off nice and fine and spin an old new favorite of mine. Oh, yeah.
I see you shiver with anticipation.
Took the bowling in the arcade.
We went strolling, drank lemonade. We went strolling, drank lemonade.
I've been called the songbird of my generation.
On the door. Hey, where are you guys?
I got my dice.
We're coming for you now.
What's going on?
Jeez. Hey, these hubcaps ain't got a scratch on them. Huh, I bet they're worth 2 beans apiece. Easy.
Hey, how much do you reckon we can get for those cool dice up there?
He needs some milk.
So turn up the sound and stomp on the ground. Oh, yeah.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for attending tonight's performance in the Royal Theatre. Unfortunately, we are currently experiencing some technical difficulties. We appreciate your patience and understanding as we work to resolve this issue as quickly as possible. Thank you.
Details of your incompetence do not interest me.
Hey, Frenchie, when do you get out of beauty school? When do you stop beauty school?
Next week, I can hardly wait. No more dumb books and stupid teachers.
Hey, where's Rump?
No one's seen him since lunch.
That's so weird. Oh, well.
Hey, Danny, how'd I look as a college girl?
Let me see. Ooh. Pull up.
Hey, watch it! Watch this big jump at holy contrition.
She don't mean nothing to me.
Yeah, sure, Zuko. Every day now.
Hey, told him what? Come on, Zuko.
Come on, Zuko. You mean you ain't told him?
Yeah, told us what? Oh, come on, what are you trying to do? Make us think that she's like you?
Jesus. Come on.
What's that supposed to mean?
Who can say where the road goes? What's that supposed to mean? I heard you complaining.
All the cats are
It's raining on prom night.
I was deprived of a young girl's dream by the cruel force of nature from the blue. Instead of a night full of romance supreme, all I got was a runny nose and Asiatic flu. It's raining from night from night. My hair is a mess. It's running all over. My taffeta dress. It's wilting. My rainbow. And mascara flows right down my nose. Because it's raining.
Jeez, what crummy decorations.
Where'd you think you were going, American Bandstand?
The sisters had a Hawaiian sock hop at St. Bernadette's once. The sisters got real coconuts and everything.
And now, boys and girls, here he is, the man of the hour, Mr. Vince Fontaine. Mr. Fontaine. Hello? Mr. Fontaine?
Oh, hey, come right up.
That's what she said.
As most of you know, Mr. Fontaine is a radio announcer for station WA Kiss X. Oh, Kiss. Now for the rules. Yes, mine is not the first heart broken. My eyes are not the first to cry. I'm not the first to know.
Well, they call Trish Gilford. You think you're such a looker, but a customer would go to you unless she was a hooker. Might as well go back to that malt shop in the Baby, you blew it. You poured out good advice. The shame, how could you do it? That you did right, say the same. Now there's no way to get through to you, no matter who may try. Might as well go back to that malt shop in the That thing scares me.
That's what she said.
Why is no one ready?
Is this right? No. Don't put too many records on, Frenchie. I have to leave in a couple of minutes.
Hey, what happened to the music? Why don't you guys sing another song?
Okay.
It ain't so bad, breeze. At least you get to stay home from school.
Tony goes to...
Take cold showers every day and throw my life away on a dream that won't come true.
An idiot sandwich.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I do apologize. Due to technical difficulties we are having with the show control system, we're going to be postponing the show. However, the cast is available for a meet and greet and mingle with all of you right now. They're about to come out onto stage, come down into the house and meet with all of you who are interested in talking with them. We do apologize for this inconvenience. We'll get back to you on a rescheduled time for this show. Thank you and have a wonderful afternoon.
Run, bitch!
Here comes my favorite holiday, St. Valentine's Day.
One little thing, a ring. Don't mean the kind on the phone.
Do you think they could pedal me all the way to Central Park? Oh well.
Santa cutie forgot to mention one little thing. A ring. Don't mean the kind on the phone.
You know what I can do is give you a quote. May you live as long as you want, and never want as long as you live.
Santa baby forgot to mention one little thing. A ring. Don't mean the kind on the phone. Santa baby.
That was spectacular! Who knew Frankenstein could dance? I certainly did not. Ooh, I see the glamour and glitz of the Royal Theater coming down the promenade. I love a parade of showgirls and these ladies. All right, folks, for the granddaddy of all holidays, we need to bring in the big guns. That's right, he's on his way. America's oldest teenager, your cruise director, Drew Papa.
Hi, everybody. Thank you. Let's get it for Alexa, your parade marshal. Doing an awesome job here this afternoon. Welcome to the biggest gay cruise in history, the Let's Celebrate Parade. No matter what the day is, whether it's the 4th of July, St. Patrick's Day, Valentine's Day, your birthday, we're going to do a New Year's countdown right now. Here we go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I hate the Christopher Columbus!
I'll be your storyteller for the evening, and tonight, Mama's got a tale like you never heard.
Oh, find your destiny and don't come back till... I've broken my heart so many times I stopped keeping track. Stop looking in, I stop looking out. I get all worked up and I let myself down. Oh, I'm burning through the sky, yeah. 200 degrees, that's why they call me Mr. Fahrenheit. Oh, I'm burning through the sky, yeah. 200 degrees, that's why they call me Mr. Fahrenheit. Oh, man, river. Whoa. Oh, I'm burning through the sky, yeah. 200 degrees, that's why they call me Mr. Fahrenheit. Traveling at the speed of light, I wanna make a supersonic man out of you. Yeah, yeah. Don't stop me now. 'Cause I'm having a good time. Don't stop me now. Yeah, I'm having a good time. I'm a racing car passing by like Lady Godiva. I'm gonna go, go, go. There's no stopping me. Cause I'm having a good time. Don't stop. Yeah, I'm having a good time. I don't wanna stop at all. At all.
Together we'll mend your heart, because when the sun shines, we'll shine together. Told you I'll be here forever.
Said I'll always be a friend. Took an oath, I'm sticking out to the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we'll still have each other.
You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella.
my umbrella. Be a friend, took an oath, I'ma stick it out till the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we'll still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, eh, 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 under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, eh, 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 eh. It's raining, raining, raining. Oh, baby, it's raining, raining, raining. Baby, come here to me. Come here to me.
Digger, bowl digger.
Nice boat. Where'd you get this? IKEA? Where does everyone summer?
3, 2, 1.
But you're a shark! Who talks? And by the sounds of it, soon might soon.
Yeah, call me Al!
Call me, call me, call me Al! Yeah!
What, Sam? Oh,
Wow! Singing flying sharks! Okay.
So, Betty, if we can't be friends, perhaps you'll be lunch.
No.
My cheeseburgers!
Cheeseburger. Wait, you brought cheeseburgers?
A whole trunk, sir.
A whole trunk? You've had cheeseburgers for 6 years?
Wait, you got cheeseburgers the whole time?
Yeah, the whole time you would. The whole time. That's
All right. For God's sake, boy, grab your cheeseburger. Ha! Gay!
The tide is high, but I'm cold.
Don't fuck it up.
I am the chosen, I'm the one. And I have come to save the day. And I won't leave until I'm done. So that's why you got to try. You got to breathe and have some fun. Though I'm not paid, I play this game. And I won't stop until I'm done. But what I really want to know is, are you gonna go my way? 'Cause I got to know.
Actually doing well, you know. Up here, old man!
You'll never escape! This will be your last breath, boy! Whoa. Wait, what? You're not a very nice boy!
That's the first thing you got right!
But you're a girl?
A girl?
And you're finished.
You're gonna hear me.
I feel the sky tumbling down. I feel my heart start to trembling whenever you're around.
Oh, shake, 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 Sonora. shake your body, mind. Shake, 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 Sonora. Shake it all the time. Work, 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 Sonora.
It's also why I look so young and vibrant. After 600 years. Nassan. 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 Go home, eh?
Thanks, Dad. But, I found my destiny, and it's right here in the Caribbean.
It's a celebration. Every time we get together, all people, every nation. Put your hands up in the sky.
Venimos a vacilar, venimos a disfrutar, vamos todos a gozar, vamos todos a cantar.
Put your hands up in the sky.
Venimos a vacilar, venimos a disfrutar, vamos todos a gozar, vamos todos a cantar. Venimos a vacilar, venimos a disfrutar, vamos todos a gozar, vamos todos a cantar.
Negativity is gone, and I'm feeling so good. Cause we found love, like life had just begun.
And you feel it.
Tonight we tell the tale of Columbus, Marvin Columbus. Tonight we tell the tale of Columbus. Marvin has found his destiny on Marvin.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, give it up for the cast of Columbus the Musical. Come on, make some noise for them, everybody. Kathleen, you can't bow with your foot stepping in. Just give us a second. Keep it going for tonight's featured performers, Drew and Kathleen.
Those